Seeing someone else ahead of you after shoulder surgery can make you question everything, even when your recovery is still within a normal range. I'm Dr. Dan, a shoulder surgeon who helps people understand recovery after shoulder surgery. One of the hardest parts of recovery is how often people compare themselves to others. People don't measure against their own healing. They measure against a friend, a comment, or what someone else seemed able to do at the same point. That's usually where anxiety begins to build. Comparison makes recovery look more uniform than it really is. Two people can have the same surgery and still have very different early experiences. One may sleep better sooner, another may have less pain early but struggle more with stiffness. Some feel better during the day but worse at night. Different paths do not mean something is wrong. None of these differences automatically mean one recovery is going well and the other is going badly. A lot of people quietly start asking themselves, why am I not there yet? Or did something go wrong? Or am I falling behind? That thinking becomes exhausting over time. Every hard day can start to feel like proof something is wrong. But recovery does not move in a straight line. It has uneven days, fluctuations, and moments where things improve, then feel irritated again. Progress can settle down, then temporarily feel worse again. There are also emotional swings, especially when you are paying close attention to what others say they are experiencing. Ahead and behind are not very useful ways to understand healing. Those labels leave out important factors like age, tissue quality, pain sensitivity, sleep, swelling, stiffness, and other health conditions. They also ignore that people describe recovery very differently. When you compare your inside experience to someone else's outside summary, it almost always creates confusion. Comparison often turns normal uncertainty into self-doubt. It can make you second-guess symptoms that may not mean anything is wrong and create pressure to feel better or catch up before your shoulder is ready. A better question is whether your recovery makes sense overall. A slower week does not mean failure. A more uncomfortable phase does not mean damage. Someone doing better may simply be on a different path. Recovery follows a non-linear path for most people. The mental side of recovery can become just as draining as the physical side, especially when comparison takes over. When that happens, it becomes harder to see your own progress and easier to focus only on where you think you should be. If you feel discouraged because someone else seems further along, that feeling is understandable. But it is not reliable evidence that your recovery is off track. Comparison often distorts a very personal healing process. If you want more context on early recovery, watch 5 Truths About Your First 6 Weeks After Shoulder Surgery, linked below. And if you want a calmer overview of common recovery questions, the Shoulder Recovery Guide is also linked below. The main thing to remember is that someone else's pace is not the standard your shoulder has to follow. Recovery often feels more uncertain with comparison and clearer when you understand that variation is part of the process. Thanks for watching. See you next week.